There are no local forex brokers that are specifically regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission's (SEC). The SEC is the primary government agency that is responsible for regulating the corporate and the securities markets in the Philippines, and they have gone as far as warning Filipino traders against forex trading and against the use of a number of foreign forex brokers. All of these are due to the concerns of fraud and heavy losses among traders. That means that if you, a Filipino trader, wishes to go into forex trading, you will be doing so through foreign brokers, and you will be doing that at your own risk. So you're advised not to go into forex trading at all until they are locally regulated brokers. If you do not wish to go further into forex trading, you must stop watching this video right now. But if you wish to continue, you must know that this video does not provide any form of financial advice, and once again, you will be trading at your own risk. In this video, we have ensured that all the brokers we will be reviewing are properly regulated in their regions by top-tier regulators, as they are all foreign brokers. We also looked at competitive spreads and transparent fees, and then reliable and user-friendly trading platforms, responsive customer support, risk management tools, and trading education, especially for beginners. These brokers also offer the negative balance protection so that you do not lose more than you have deposited, and they also segregate clients' funds from their funds. In most cases, these brokers will return the client's share of their segregated funds in the event of insolvency, bankruptcy, or liquidation. Before we go further, if any of the brokers in this video aligns with your trading goals, check out the sign up link in the description below. Let's begin this review with XM. XM is a broker that is under the parent company of Trading Point Group, which also runs trading.com. Operating since 2009, XM holds licenses from the Financial Services Commission (FSC) in Belize and in Mauritius, but they provide their services to Filipino traders under the FSC Belize regulation. Although Trading Point is regulated by top-tier regulators like FCA in the UK, ASIC in Australia, and CySEC in Cyprus, this regulation does not affect XM operations or their clients in the Philippines. XM has a number of instruments you can trade, over 1,400, including Forex, stock derivatives, commodities including precious metals and energies, shares, cryptocurrencies, turbo stocks, stock indices, and thematic indices. Trading with XM gives you access to 3 specialized account types, which are the standard account for beginners and intermediate traders, the ultra low account for advanced traders who trade high volume, and lastly, the shares account, where you can buy the shares of companies in different nations of the world. Also, the Islamic account option is available on all account types, offering their Muslim clients swap-free benefits in accordance with Sharia laws. On the account, you can trade micro lots with a minimum of 0.1 lots and a maximum of 100 lots, but when trading standard lots, the minimum lot size will be 0.01 lots with a maximum of 50 lots. While a maximum leverage of 1:1,000, which is really high, with a stop-out level of 20%, applies to both the standard and the ultra-low accounts, a maximum leverage of 1:1 with a 0% stop-out level applies to the shares account. Always trade with caution when trading with leverage, because you can make so much money with it and at the same time make so much losses with it. As for fees, zero swap fees apply to the shares account, but not all instruments are swap free on the ultra low account. While with the standard account, you will be charged or paid swap fees, but there is no swap charge on CFDs on future trades. Commission charges only apply on the shares account and not on other accounts. Then the spreads on the standard account for major currency pairs like the Euro USD pair starts from 1.6 pips, and it starts from 0.8 pips on the ultra low account. And if your account is without any trading activity for 90 days, you will be charged a monthly dormancy fee of $10 or your account balance if it is lower. But if your account is without any balance for 90 days, it will be archived and cannot be reopened, but you can open a new account. Then you may be required to pay taxes when you trade US equities. And when you deposit or withdraw funds in a currency different from your account-based currency, an exchange rate will be applied, which can either be set by XM or for methods like debit or credit cards by the payment processor over which XM has no control. Plus, if you do not complete the W8BEM form in time, you will be charged a 30% withholding tax on dividends you earn from US equities, and your account may be restricted. The W8BEN form informs the US government that you are a resident of another country. This allows XM to potentially apply for a lower UX tax rate on your dividends from US equities, depending on any tax treaties that exist between the US and the Philippines. For deposits and withdrawals, no fees applies, but when you are using the international wire transfer, XM will cover your fees if your transaction is greater or equal to $200 or its equivalent. Apart from bank wire transfer, other payment methods like debit and credit cards, e-wallets, and others are made available. And then the minimum deposit and withdrawal amount is $5, but this depends on the payment method you're using and the account type you're trading with. The all-popular and beginner-friendly MetaTrader 4 platform is available for trading with XM with its advanced version, which is MetaTrader 5, with both being available as a phone app on the desktop and as web trader, while MetaTrader 4 is available on multi-terminal as well. The XM app, which is their flagship app, is available on the app and Google Play Store. For traders who wish to copy the trades of other traders or become copied as a professional trader for some stipend, XM Social and Copy Trading feature is available for you. To manage your risk, you can use their stop loss and take profit orders, but they are not guaranteed. The XM Learning Center is packed with trading educational resources in video and article formats, like their webinars in 23 languages, their live trading analysis, or even their podcasts, news and analysis, and others. While their help center is made up of a long list of FAQs and glossary. And if you have any concerns or inquiry, you can chat with XM's customer support on live chat, or you give them a phone call. Although their phone number is not a local phone number, you can also reach them by email, or you can check their FAQ section to see if your intended question has been answered there. The next broker we will be talking about will be FBS. Just like XM, FBS began operations in 2009, and it is regulated internationally by some authorities like the Financial Services Commission's FSC in Belize, under which they provide their services to Filipino traders. Trading with FBS gives you access to a number of trading instruments, including over 70 Forex, over 6 metals, over 10 indices, 3 energies, and over 470 stocks. The standard account is the only account type they offer, but you can opt for the swap-free option, which is only available to Islamic traders. Meanwhile, you can trade with a minimum lot size of 0.01 lots and a maximum of 500 lots, with a margin call of 40% and a stop-out level of 20%, with a really high leverage of up to 1:3,000, which is rare among brokers, and this can be attractive to traders seeking to maximize their potential returns by trading larger positions, although it also comes with significant risk like adverse losses. As for their fees, for the Euro-USD pair, they charge a typical spread of 1.3 pips with a zero commission charge and swap-free advantage. That is, you will not be charged for leaving your positions open overnight. But if you trade any exotic Forex pair as a long position on a swap-free account, you will be charged a fixed weekly commission starting from the second Sunday if the order was not closed by the end of the day or by that period. Inactivity or dormancy fee, currency conversion fee, and deposit and withdrawal fees are not charged, but your service provider might charge you for your transactions. You can trade with VPS free of charge, but you will have to do these things. Firstly, you have to deposit $450 or 450 euros in one transaction to your live trading account. And secondly, you have to activate the VPS, after which you will need to trade over 3 lots monthly. Now, if you do not trade over 3 lots monthly, you will have to pay a monthly subscription fee of $33. Just like XM, the trading platforms through which you can trade with FBS are MetaTrader 4 and then MetaTrader 5, with both being available on Windows, Mac OS, Web Trader, Android and iOS devices, and then multi-terminal. But for MetaTrader 5, you can only trade with demo accounts via multi-terminal. The last platform they have is their proprietary FBS mobile app powered by TradingView charts and available on only Android devices and not on iOS devices. In the app is this AI assistant that is designed to aid your trading decision. This AI examines the current state of a chart, looking at patterns, trends, and historical price movements, and based on this analysis, it tries to predict where the price might go next. As for risk management, stop loss and take profit orders are available. Now, to make deposits and withdrawals, FBS, among all the brokers reviewed in this video, has the highest number of payment methods. There are over 200 and they are country specific. But for Filipino traders, you can use over 15 methods, including the popular debit and credit cards, Netella and Skrill, among others. And the minimum deposit amount differs according to payment methods, but the least is $5. The FBS Academy section furnishes both beginners and advanced traders with trading courses and guides, and then you can get trading ideas and insight from their market analysis section, while their VIP section leaves you with latest market news and trading ideas from experts daily. Now, apart from their FAQ section where you can get answers to a number of questions, you can also reach FBS via live chat, Telegram, and WhatsApp, or you can request for a callback. Our next stop is HF Markets. HF Markets, or HFM, was established in 2010 and it has regulation from 7 regulators, including top-tier regulators like the UK's FCA, the Dubai's DFSA, among others. And if you wish to trade with HFM, you can trade over 500 tradable instruments, including Forex, metals, energies, stocks, index, bonds, commodities, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. To trade with HFM, you will have to use the platform they have made available, which are MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their HFM proprietary mobile app. While MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 are available on PC, Android and iOS devices and web, and only MetaTrader 4 is available on multi-terminal where you can manage multiple accounts, their mobile app is available on both Google Play and App Store, and it is powered by MetaTrader 5. The Auto Chartist tool is available to help you monitor financial instruments and identify chart patterns, Fibonacci patterns, and key levels to guide your trading decision. You can also engage in copy trading to either be a follower and copy the trades of professional traders, or to become a strategy provider where your trading strategies are copied and you earn a certain commission. Remember that in trading, past performance does not guarantee future results. So copying the trades of successful traders does not guarantee profitability. HFM has different account types to meet every trader's needs. The account types include the cent account, where you can trade only Forex and gold with the US cents, and also zero accounts and pro accounts with the premium account for professional traders. The maximum leverage they offer is 1:2,000 with a margin call of 50% and a stop out level of 20% on all accounts. You can trade a minimum trade volume of 0.01 lots and a maximum of 60 lots, except on the cent account where you can trade 200 cent lots. The spreads for the cent and the premium account starts from 1.2 pips, that of the zero account starts from 0 pips on specific symbols, and that of the pro account starts from 0.6 pips, all for major currency pairs like the Euro-USD pair and co. Swap-free benefits on specific trading instruments are available on all 4 accounts, but you will be charged commission when you trade Forex pairs, but not when you trade with the zero account. They also have the top-up bonus accounts where you can receive a bonus on every qualified deposit up to 100% on initial deposit and 20% on subsequent deposits. The spread on this account begins from 1.4 pips, but you will not pay commission for Forex trades and you will be charged swap fees. If you wish to utilize their VPS hosting, you will not be charged if you meet certain deposit and trading requirements, but their monthly subscription fee starts from $25 to $80. Leaving your account without a trading activity for 6 months to 1 year will attract a monthly dormancy fee of $5 or your account equivalent or your account balance if it is lower, without leaving your account in negative balance. This amount increases as the years goes by, and if the account balance goes zero due to this fee, your account will be terminated upon notice. You will also be charged a fee when converting your gains, your losses, commissions, fees, and deposits to your account-based currency. When making payments, your bank or service provider may charge you transaction fees also. And then their payment methods include bank transfers, credit and debit cards, crypto, FASA-Pay, Neteller, and Skrill. Although HFM has no minimum deposit requirements, each deposit method has their minimum deposit amount ranging from $5 to $100 and 5,000 pesa, and a maximum ranging from $5,000 to unlimited and 140,000 pesa, with a minimum withdrawal amount ranging from 5 to 100 US dollars. For risk management, they offer stop loss orders that are not guaranteed and take profit orders. And if you wish to expand your trading knowledge, you can check their education section where they have trading webinars, tutorial videos, market analysis, courses, and even glossary. Or you can check their FAQ section for questions and answers. And then to contact them, their live chat is open to you, or you can use their email or phone number. The next broker to be reviewed will be FXTM. Having been in operation for over 10 years, Forex Time, also known as FXTM, is a part of the Xfinity Group, and it has regulatory licenses from the FCA in the UK, FSCA in South Africa, FSC in Mauritius, SCA in UAE, and CMA in Kenya. And you can trade over 1,000 instruments trading with FXTM, including Forex, metals, stocks, stock CFDs, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. While you can trade all these instruments on their platforms, you can only trade stock CFDs on their MetaTrader 5 platforms. Let's talk about their trading platforms. Their trading platform includes MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their proprietary mobile app. While you can access VPS hosting on both MetaTrader platforms, you cannot trade stocks on MetaTrader 4, but you can do so on MetaTrader 5 and on the app. MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 are available on PC and Mac and on Android and iOS devices, but only MetaTrader 4 is available on web, while the mobile app is available on both Android and iOS devices. If you choose to trade with FXTM, you can choose from their 3 account types, which are the Advantage account that is best for beginners and intermediate traders, the Advantage Plus account that is best for expert traders, and the Advantage Stock account, which is solely for stocks trading. On both the Advantage and the Advantage Plus accounts, they offer a leverage of up to 1:3,000 with a margin call of 80% and a stop out level of 50%. While on the Advantage Plus accounts, they offer a leverage of up to 1:1 with no stop out or margin call. Their minimum lot size is 0.01 lot and an unlimited maximum lot size. But on the Advantage and Advantage Plus accounts, traded through MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, the maximum lot size for indices and commodities is 5 lots. Spreads on the Advantage account starts from 0 pips for major currency pairs like the Euro-USD pair, with commission charges ranging from $0.01 to $3.5 per lot per side, depending on the trading instrument. While spreads on the Advantage Plus account starts from 1.5 pips with 0 commission, and spreads from 6 cents with 0 commission on the Advantage Stocks account. On the Advantage and Advantage Plus account, you can enjoy swap-free benefits, but exotic pairs are not available for swap-free account. Meanwhile, swaps will be charged on the Advantage Stocks account. And FXTM charges an inactivity fee of $10 if your account is without a trading activity for 3 months. To withdraw funds, you will be charged withdrawal fees based on the withdrawal method, but a flat rate of $3 applies for any deposit or withdrawal below $30. While their stop loss orders and take profit orders are not guaranteed, you can make payments through credit and debit cards, e-wallets, wire transfer, and through some local payment methods, but the minimum deposit you can make is $200. On their Education on Knowledge Hub, you can gain access to a number of trading educational resources, not to forget their market analysis and news segments, their guides, library, ebooks, trading videos, glossary, and FAQ sections. And then to make your complaints, ask questions, or make inquiries, you can use their request form, or you can reach them via live chats. Up next is IC Markets. This is a broker that was established in 2007 and it seems to be the oldest broker on this list. It provides its services to Filipino traders under its global entity known as IC Markets Global that is regulated by the Financial Services Authority (FSA) in Seychelles, allowing Filipino traders to open accounts and trade over 2,000 CFD instruments including 61 forex pairs, 24 commodities, over 2,100 stocks, 25 indexes, 9 bonds, 21 cryptocurrencies, and 4 futures. And all of these can be traded on platforms like MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, cTrader, and TradingView. While MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and cTrader can be accessed on Windows, Mac devices, web, Android, and iOS devices, TradingView is only accessible on the web. On their MetaTrader platforms, you can trade with expert advisors for automated trading, and then you can use VPS for free if you meet their minimum monthly requirements. cTrader is not left out as it has its cTrader Automate, which is a feature that allows users to create and run automated trading strategies and custom technical indicators. Apart from that, you can download IC Social app available on mobile devices that gives you access to their trading communities where you can get trading signals, track, analyze, and copy the trading performances of professional traders, and you can connect your MetaTrader 4 live accounts to the app. For Signal followers, you can connect your MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 account to Signal Stats, which is a top-tier copy service allowing you to duplicate trades from a diverse selection of highly proficient signal providers. And you can also utilize Zulu Trader, which is also a social trading platform. At the same time, copy trading is also available on the cTrader platform. On their platforms, you can trade with 3 accounts, which are the standard and the raw spread accounts, which can be traded on the MetaTrader platforms, and then the cTrader raw spread account that can be traded on cTrader and TradingView, with the raw spread accounts being fit for day traders, scalpers, and traders who utilize expert advisors. Nevertheless, the Islamic account option is available on all accounts. If you are a high-volume trader seeking rebates on your trading commissions, you can become a member of the Raw Trader Plus, which comes with extra benefits like VPS hosting and a dedicated client support, but you will have to meet their criteria. On all accounts, they offer a leverage of up to 1:1,000 with a minimum lot size of 0.01 lots and a stop-out level of 50% with a margin call of 100%. The raw spread account offers raw spreads from 0 pips on major currency pairs like the Euro-USD pair, but their commission is $3 per lot per side on the cTrader raw spread account for every $100,000 traded. That is, the round term commission is $6, and then a $3.5 per lot per side on the raw spread account, which gives you a $7 round term commission with 0 commission charge on the standard account and spreads from 0.8 pips on major currency pairs like the Euro-USD pair. Swap fees are either paid or charged on Forex and metals, but you will not be charged any inactivity fee or currency conversion fee, as well as payment and withdrawal fees by IC Markets. IC Markets have a plethora of payment methods including Visa and MasterCard credit and debit cards, PayPal, Neteller, Skrill, Union Pay, wire transfer, BPay, broker to broker, Poly, internet banking, Rapid Pay, Klarna, and Vietnamese internet banking. As earlier said, these brokers offer negative balance protection, but in rare cases of market gapping during the weekend or major holidays, and if you have no free margin, your account can go into negative balance. To avoid that, you can use stop loss and take profit orders. Notwithstanding, you can reach IC Markets customer support to discuss the options available to you in cases of negative balance. IC Markets Global Education tab has learning materials in form of videos and articles with their web TV, webinars, and podcasts, and then the IC Markets Global blog, Forex glossary, and FAQs. Via their TeamViewer technical support that you can download on Mac and PC, you can contact IC Markets Global by mail or live chat. If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of a number of traders who jump into trading without having the right knowledge, because in this video, we've covered essential factors you need to consider when choosing a Forex broker, from regulation to security, from fees to trading platforms, and the rest. Remember that your broker is your partner in the market, and as a Filipino trader, you are already at a higher risk. So do your due diligence properly and trade cautiously. And then if you find any of the brokers in this video that they align with your trading goals, check out the sign up link in the description below. Was this video helpful? Give it a like. Do you have any questions, inquiries, or you want to share your experiences? Leave it in the comment section below. We'll be glad to engage. And if you would like to build your trading knowledge and stay ahead of the curve with more brokers review and trading ideas, subscribe to this channel right now. Or you can visit our website at safeforexbrokers.com/ph. Until I come your way again, happy trading.